Hello, my name is Thomas, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a cutout shader that helps you to cut out some geomat you don't want to see. In my case, these here are some walls that are straight up and my roof has an angle, and so there's an intersection that I want to remove, and I don't want to use Boolean or something like a lattice box or things like that. And basically I want to set up this shader in Blender and then simply bake the map and use that here in Unity for my VR project. So let's get started and continue with Blender. So now here I am in Blender, and what you can see is my very basic building. It's a very early stage. This building contains only 3 shaders, a glass shader, a green concrete shader and a purple concrete shader. And the purple concrete shader is a duplicate of the green one. It should just add this cut out here so that I can bake the map and use that in Unity for my presentation. So the shader here is that one, and what I want to do is I want to project a ramp from the side view onto the building, and with that ramp I want to cut out these unwanted areas. So I need a ramp, a color ramp. Convert the color to luminance or black and white. I need black and white later for the alpha, but for now I want to have that in the color. I need a mapping to transform my generated UVs, and I need a texture coordinate that is used to project my ramp, and I want to use an object as projector, and this object in my case is the locator or an empty object or null object, whatever you may call it. You can use whatever you want. I decided to use a version that contains these axes, so that maybe help me to find the right axis. So let me pick that. So now I'm projecting through that here, and you can see it like so. Maybe let me hide the roof. But the projection itself is, and I switch here to constant. But the projection itself seems to be angled, so I need to fix that, and I want to fix that in my mapping. So this is the angle, so I need to rotate around this z-axis, and I need to do that in that direction. I think it's minus 45 degrees. Let's see that. Yeah, that seems to be pretty perfect. So minus 45 degrees, and what is white should be visible, and what is black should be invisible. So what I now can do is simply, I can simply go and rotate around X and try to find the right angle and then transform that. Let me bring back the roof, because what I need is more or less the same angle, and then just hide it somewhere in here. So that's it. You need to tell your shader that it should use a cutout. So you can do that in the settings. Blend mode is an alpha clipping, and then just connect that to your clipping. Break the connection here, so your original color is back. And when you don't want to see your wireframes, simply hide them, unselect everything, your cutout is done. I need to do that for these glasses as well. That's basically it. So to use that in Unity, you now simply can go and bake that as a map and connect it to Unity. If you're interested in that, just drop me a line. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.